So students, we will start with chapter number 8, that is reaching grandmother's house, that is in your EVS book, looking around. In your book, page number I think 62 and 63, there are few questions, but to answer these questions you need to first learn and understand, read the story related with the questions. To answer these questions, you need to read out the story. So we will also do that first. Let's first read the story. After our long train journey, we reached Kottayam in the night. Valyama's house was not far from the station and we had to take 2 auto rickshaws to get there. By then, I was very sleepy and did not even wait to eat anything. I took a bath and slept. I thought I had just fallen asleep when Amma woke me up again. We got ready, took our luggage and went to the bus stand. Velasma's family also came with us. We were 10 people and had a lot of luggage too. Now you can see this family is going out for a travel. They are packing their luggage and they are going. First they are going, they had a long train journey. After reaching, they also slept, and after sleeping, when they woke up, they again packed their luggage and they came to a bus stand with their luggage. It means they are going somewhere. Let's see what is next. We after in the bus we managed to get the seat. As it went along, the bus got very crowded. People were sharing the seats. We also had to share our seat. So here when they got up in the bus, they had to share the seats because it was really crowded inside the bus. After a long ride, the bus reached the last stop. I was happy to get off. My legs were stiff. I could hardly stand. It means they were actually sitting or standing inside the bus for a very long time. That's why their legs got stiff. I thought that we had finally reached Amanamma's village. Had not our travel had not ended yet. But their travel had not ended yet. They had a travel long again. The bus had dropped by us the water side. Look, Amma, pointed across the water. That is where we have to go. But how we will get there? I wondered. Now I think they're going in on the water transportation. What will they do? Let's see. Just then I saw a boat coming. There is a ferry. Amma said. Immediately a big crowd of people started getting off. School children, men, women, all with their own packets and luggages. Amma explained that the ferry was used by people to cross the water and reach the other side. As soon as the ferry got empty, the big rush started from our side. Everyone had to pay the fare before getting on. Very soon the ferry was full. It started off again. I managed to get a place to stand along the rafting. I saw the ripping of the still water as the ferry moved. It was moving smoothly on the water. There were rows of coconut trees on the banks of the river, and we were moving swiftly. I could see people fishing, washing, bathing, and walking along the banks. Now that was an incredible experience because they were moving from a boat. Now while going to a boat, they had seen so many things. Just before the sun disappeared into the water, the ferry reached the island and stopped. It was time for us to get off. At last we reached Amumma's place. What a long and interesting journey it has been. So, through the journey, they have seen so many things and they have learned so many things. Now, we will also learn so many things through the question answer. Now, the first question was, Omana traveled by many different vehicles after she got down from the train. Can you remember what these were? The answer is they were bus, boat, and auto rickshaw. Question number 2 is, on which vehicle have you traveled on? Now this question I have written on my perspective. I have traveled on what vehicles. Now according to your perspective you will write the answer. Like I have traveled by bus, truck, motorcycle, scooter, cycle, boat, maybe aeroplane. You will write according to your perspective. Okay. Now the third one. Which ride did you enjoy the most? I would write I enjoyed the most boat. Now according to you, you will write your answer. Am I clear, students? Now question number 4. Omana left Ahmedabad on 16th May. How many hours did it take for her to reach Amunama's house? It took her 54 hours. Have you ever been on a long journey? Where did you go? I went to Uttarakhand, I went to Arunachal Pradesh, but here I have given only one answer, that I have went to Uttarakhand. According to you, wherever you have gone, you will write your own answer. Okay. Now question number 6. Name the different kinds of transport that you took during the journey. I took auto rickshaw, train, bus. And according to your journey, you will write your experience and what were the vehicles that you had taken for the transportation. Am I clear, students? You don't have to write the same answer. According to your experience and your journey, you will write your own answer. These are only the sample answers that I have written according to my perspective. Now, according to your experience and your journey, you have to write your one. Because these all questions are very easy. It is just to explain or convey your experience to the rest of your friends and the rest of the world. Similarly, in page 63 also there are some questions. Question number 1, how long did your journey take? Now, like I would say, while I was going to Uttarakhand by train, it took me 2 hours, and when I had gone to Arunachal Pradesh by airplane, it took me 2.5 hours. Now here I will say 2 days for Uttarakhand because it was by train, and 2.5 hours by airplane because it was with a aeroplane and it takes a little time. Similarly, you will write the answer about your particular journey. The answer need not have to be same. Am I clear? Now question number 2, Manas Appa bought tickets for the train and bus. Can you think of the other means of transport for which we need to buy tickets? They are aeroplanes. And anything else, students? I need the answer from you. Question number 3, sometimes we need to buy tickets to enter a place. Can you think of such places? Yes, such places are like zoo, circus, cricket ground, magic show, etc. There are few other places. I need the answer from your side. What are the other places that you can think of that we need ticket to enter that place? So similarly, there are a few other questions, like look at the picture below, that is a ticket, the picture of a ticket. Now these are the 4 things on the ticket and they are being circled. Now what are like the train number, the date of the start of the journey, the berth number, the fare, the cost of the ticket. Means fare means the cost of the ticket. Now what can you get from the picture of the ticket? It is already there in your book. You can see from there also. So the train number I can see 9037 I can get from the ticket. The date of the start of the journey is 24/12/2006. The berth number is 21, 22 and 23. The fare, that is the cost of the ticket, is 2578. These all things I can get from the ticket, and you can see the ticket is there in your book. So if you cannot see it on the screen, if it is hazy looking, then you can see it in the book and can get a clear picture of the ticket, and from the ticket what kind of information you are getting, that I have written over here. There are few more information that you are getting from the ticket, that is in the next question you will get to know. But from this question it has been asked that what is the train number and etc. Now the question number 5 that I was talking about is, write what other things you can find out from the ticket. Like from looking at the ticket, I can find out first the boarding station is Bandra terminal, means the boarding station from where you have boarded the train. It was Bandra terminal. Destination station New Delhi. Coach number is A1. Name of the train was Awadh Express. So from the ticket, few other things I can get by looking at it, means for other information. Now that's all for this video. I have discussed with you page number 62 and 63. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, study hard, and thank you, students.